If you encounter billing problems on Uber, it is important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth experience. Follow these steps to resolve any issues effectively. Step 1. Check your trip history. Review your trip history in the Uber app to identify any discrepancies. Look for incorrect charges or trips that you don't recognize. Step 2. Access the help section. Open the Uber app and navigate to the help section. This area contains resources and options to report billing issues directly. Step 3. Report the issue. Select the relevant trip and choose the option to report a billing issue. Provide detailed information about the problem, including any specific charges that seem incorrect. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your issue, wait for a response from Uber's support team. They typically respond via email or through the app, so keep an eye on your notifications. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up through the app or customer support. Persistence can help ensure your issue is addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems on Uber. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Uber's customer service for further assistance.